Hi guys, hey, this is David. I'll do a little walkabout here in the back. It's kind of windy. I don't know how it's going to affect the sound, but we'll check it out anyway. There's Simba. Hey Simba, what's up? Oh, where's Valentine? There's Valentine over there. Come on. Shh. Come here. Come on. Valentine had to go to the vet last week or the week before, and had a little bit of surgery. She's all right now, but she's got to lose some weight. That's what the vet said. She's only like 10 pounds as it is, and I don't know how much she got to lose, but anyway. Oh, windy, cloudy. I don't think it's gonna rain, but temperature is nice. Like I said the other day, it's just teasing us because it's gonna get hot. Let me go over here. I got my Hero 7 black with that hyper smooth. I don't know how it does. I'm sitting here like shaking it a little bit, so I don't know how it's gonna go on the video, but I'll give it a shot. Now over in this area here, behind this fence area, I know before they used to have a garden in there. And I'm thinking about putting some tomatoes back in there and seeing how that'll do, because there's some those like tomato vine racks, I guess you call it. There's some in the back over there too, but airplane up there. I think it's a Coast Guard, because there's a Coast Guard station not too far. Just straight up this road is the old McClellan Air Force Base. Now it's a multi-use field now for there's all sorts of businesses over there now, so air conditioning, and I think there's going to be a Walmart hub that they're gonna put in there for future. I saw it on the news a couple weeks ago, I think, and they're saying them Walmart drivers could be making like $90,000 a year and be home on the weekend. So yeah, we'll see. That's a future update for that one. I don't know, but anyway, it's just so nice out here. This lawn needs some tending too, because it's got these little spiral type of stickers in there. So that's not, I don't want to walk out there. The furry little dog there gets him in his fur, so excuse me. Anyway, I just want to get out here and test this shaking on the camera. Valentine, come here. Come here. Shh, come here. Oh, smelled something. Come here. Nope. Gonna go inside. All right, later, guys. Oh, I show up by Captain Cook shirt. I just happened to open up the drawer and there it was. I said, I'm gonna put that on. I've worn it for a while. I'm getting low on the battery here. I see, I think it's below 5 or below 50 now. So anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. Catch you guys later.